So let's try this Taukinoy crispy seaweed. So this is imported snack na seaweed from Thailand. And meron akong ginawang video na na-upload ko na by now dapat. So ang story nito is from the movie Billionaire. I will flash it here. So that is a true to life story. So from makikita niyo lahat no kung paano niya ginawa to and paano niya dinevelop tong product na to. So try natin. So nakakatuwa lang no, ang hirap maghanap nito sa totoo lang. And then, talagang inspiring to lalo na sa mga aspiring entrepreneur. So, makikita nyo paano gaano kahirap. So, nag-partner siya with 7-Eleven before. Ngayon, meron siya sa mga supermarket. So, this is the original flavor of crispy seaweed. So, tikman natin. Wala pa rin pinagkaiba. So, lahat. That is a must watch. Kailangan mapanood ninyo para ma-appreciate nyo kung gaano kahirap doon na ginagawa do.